Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Theta network and I will tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my long duration targets and my medium duration target for this token right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful informations. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. It is CoinGecko page of Theta network and it is currently trading at $11.95. Price of Theta network decreased 18.9% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 10. Very good rank. Market cap of this token is $1.1 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.3 billion. Very good. And circulating supply of this token is 1 billion. 24-hour low price of this token was $10.66. 24-hour high price of this token was $14.87. These are some price statistics and market stats. It gives 16,217% gain to its holders in 1 year. Theta network return on investment is 7,621%. Very, very good. And market cap dominance of Theta is 0.70%. And all-time high of this token was on March 24, 2021, just 24 hours ago, and price was $14.87. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, and the price was $0.0403. It was about 1 year ago. This token is available on these exchanges: Binance, UB Global, OK Exchange, HitBTC. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. It will take only 20 to 30 seconds to make. And if you want to trade on Bybit Exchange, then this is the link. You can create your account with this link. And if you want to collect some small cap coins, then this is the Hotbit Exchange link. And let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you what are the targets for Theta IM in my thoughts. And according to the charts, it is currently is at $12.04, and this is the Theta token Tether US 1 hour Binance chart. And it was rejected from that zone, and it was the all-time high of this token, 14.99, you can say $15. And now it is currently $12.06. This is the upside trend line. Once Theta break this upside trend line and close overly candle above $12.40 in that region, in that case, Theta will ready to hit again a new all-time high, I think so. But you have to wait for this. You have to wait for this breakout. Once Theta break this upside trend line, and in that case it is ready to hit this 14.90, or you can say $15 is our target. Let me please show you my first target. My first target according to the pattern is this, because it is like a pennant. And let me please show you my first target. Once it break this and close overly candle above this, in that case it is ready to hit this is my first target, 16.07. This is the immediate short-term target for this token right now, and it will maybe hit within 24 hours, within 28 hours, 48 hours, and within some days, I think so. But it have to hit. This is the first target. Let me please show you the second target. These all green lines are the support levels. You can note down these levels. And let me please show you my next target. My next target will be this zone. $20. $20 is my second target. You can say $16 is my first target, and you can say $20 is my second target for this token right now. Let me please arrange the chart, and after that I will definitely tell you what is the price. what is the medium duration targets and what I am expecting from this token right now. Let me please arrange this chart. It is currently at $12.06, and our first target, our medium duration target will be, let me please show you. This is our first target, $38, according to the fib retracement tool, and $38 will be our first target, and our second target within 2021, I think so, it have to hit this zone. $60 you can say will be our second target. This is these are two targets. $38 is our medium duration target, you can say 6 month to 8 month. It can be hit within 6 to 8 months, and our final target for 2021 is this $60, and will give you 400% profit, I think so. And this is very realistic target for this token. And if you think this is realistic, please comment. And if you want to do any coins technical analysis, then please name the coin in this video's comment section. I will definitely make video on your coins or tokens. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please join my Telegram channel for regular update, because I post regularly on my Telegram, and I post charts and patterns and price targets on my Telegram channel. Please join this, and please, if you want to trade on Binance or Bybit exchange, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of this Binance exchange and Bybit exchange. Thanks for the watching, friend. Please keep supporting me. Take care.